Qu'est-ce qui m'arrive? Qu'est-ce que je représente? Qui je suis, putain? Va falloir que je me lève. Que je recommence à zéro.
Okay, everyone. Let's start. Xian. Still can't pronounce that one. Shiani, thank you for the follow. Thank you. So that a fake countdown. Oh god. No, it was a real countdown. Real talk. It was a real countdown. But did I close? I think I closed the window. I can reopen it. I can show you. I can show you what it was. So, overlays, edit. This is streams element. I'm trying it out. I forgot to update the config, so I might build something myself at some point. I just changed that to the exact date and time where we're supposed to start. And yeah, but I had to grab some water. Forgot about that, so I'm a few seconds late. Okay, it's acceptable, right? Chat, is it acceptable, or is everyone as demanding as BXB? Hey, Rafael, we have the champion in the chat. We have the weekly challenger. Well, the weekly... How can I say that? The champion? Champion in the chat? Yeah. Mauritian time, man. Mauritian time is supposed to be 30 minutes late. I can't do that on stream. Yeah. One sec. But yeah, it's okay. Okay, cool. I'm glad it's all right. I'm glad it's all right. Thank you for hopping by, BXB. Just a quick check in the chat. Who's playing tonight? We have, of course, the weekly match on the game night, but we also have a new game. So I'm gonna walk you through that. And yeah, let me know if you're joining. Actually, let's make a poll, you know? Let's see if people actually answer the poll today. Tonight. Yeah. Yep. Quick quiz, quick poll, 5 minutes. Yeah, Rafael, I know you go to bed relatively early. We have the game night weekly match, and then we have another game, the one you like, the one from Popcorn, one of the best all-time game of the talk show. So if you can stick around, we will need 4 players, and then we can play. First time ever on this channel. But yeah, let's have a look at the agenda. Might be able to play, but I'm on my phone, so I don't know whether this will work. Yeah, we'll have a little surprise in game that might help you communicate without you guys having to go back and forth between maybe your computer and your mobile or stuff like this. So stick around, we'll see. So the agenda for today, a quick test on BizQuiz, you know, because it's the theme for tonight. Quizzes, and more quizzes, that things that I have built, of course, as usual on the channel. BizQuiz is not done by any means, but yeah, we can give it an actual test, you know. Hey, we have VS1204, aka Vanessa, one of my longtime friend. Time for virtual champagne. Yeah, in a second. Happy stream birthday. Thank you. Yeah. So, quick story about VS1204. We tend to call each other to check up on, like, you know, where we are in life, try to encourage each other with our goals, etc. And I encourage her to do some things with her professional aspirations, and she encouraged me to start or restart some things, and among these, streaming. So that's why I started streaming again, this year. So if we're celebrating the anniversary, it's a tiny bit thanks to VS 1204. So thank you. And yes, we have to stream. We have to call. We have to call. Oh, by the way, I see that something's missing. Am I hidden? Oh, the webcam is not connected. I'm a terrible streamer. Let me fix that. Okay, you can see me now, but where is it? Brightness is not. Oh, it is bright enough, actually. Okay, I'm gonna save that. Get back to you guys. Yes, friends, my face is there now. My face is there. Right, but yeah, again, yes, 1204. I owe you a call, right? A catch-up call, and thank you for encouraging me to start streaming again. We're having lots of fun on the channel, so I hope you can hop by from time to time, you know? I thought there'll be color on for this stream. No, that might be for the affiliate anniversary strands. Yeah, I'm not great with colors. And you could do it, and I'm pretty sure your community like your content. Well, yeah, we have fun here. So sad I won't be able to play today for your anniversary. Well, you'll be there next year. I'm kidding. You'll be there for the next events as well. So, you know, you'll be able to play at another event. It's fine. I understand. We all have our life. We all have a life. We all have commitments. So it's totally fine. But thank you for humping by. BXB. Strands. Let's see which one will be served tonight. What do you mean served? Are we talking about the tiara? At the moment, tiara belongs to the Raphael, right? No champagne. Yeah. There should be more colors. It's been yeah. Well, we actually lost colors. Yeah. And Raphael, we are playing Le Risque 2. You know that game. The others might not know about it. Oh, we have 2 votes for tonight. Okay. 2 people are playing. One's not playing. All right. We'll see if we can have more players. We'll need 4 players for Le Risque 2. If we don't, we'll do something else, you know, but that's the plan. Okay. You're welcome, said, and wish you all a nice play night. Thank you, VS. Talk to you very soon. Hopefully this week. So, BizQuiz, for those who don't know yet, it's well, I'm building something, right? A new way for your business to interact with their audience. So you have, let's say you are a small business on Instagram, you have stories, sometimes you have some quizzes, but it's not a lot, right? Here I'm trying to build 2 things. A quiz for you to interact with your audience, and since I'm building it, we have more control over the customization and everything. From there, you'll have a leaderboard, you can assign gifts, etc. That's one thing. And hopefully, if that picks up, you'll have the same people playing different quizzes from their favorite businesses. They'll do that through BizQuiz itself. That's the grand ambition if it picks up someday. So, you know, we'll see. In any case, I'm learning a lot building these. I'm learning a lot about the backend aspect of coding and, you know, managing everything that maps to an app. It's quite a lot. I'm front end by trade, but I'm learning to do more, right? So your audience as actors in the communication. So you have more inputs. Well, they say clicking on buttons, but it's a start, right? A friendly competition amongst the audience. So if you have like hardcore fans, they might actually compete, especially if the content of the questions are related to your business. or around the topic, you know. And then, as mentioned, you have a leaderboard as a new, couldn't find better words, right? Leaderboards as a new interaction dimension, which means they can come already for your content and your products and everything, but they can also have another push to come and play, you know. So that could be interesting as well. One sec. Yeah, no worries. Okay, back to the chat. There. So we'll do a quick test. I've just changed the questions. We just have like 3 questions, I think. I'll try to collect some feedback from you guys anytime, and if you think of some improvements, feel free to shoot here on the chat or on Discord or wherever you're in touch with me. So if you want to play, scan the QR code. Let me know if you're having trouble. I can send you the link in the chat. But yeah, you'll have to register with your Google account. And just for me to set up a leaderboard, you can send me, or like you can DM me your email address that I will map to your username. After the stream, I'll rebuild the leaderboard, because at the moment I use the email address. So if I show the list, it will show your actual email address. I don't want to take that risk, right? So before you start playing, I'll show you, well, I'll check whether we don't have any current participations yet, because it's very quick. Right, all those are fictitious players, right? So it would look like this. Your face on the code. What? Oh, yeah, well, you see, you see most of it. It's fine, it's fine. You see most of it. Oh, your is directly underscore. What? Hey, Laia. Thank you for hopping by. Laia is a French streamer. She does a lot of nice just chatting, and also she plays games. So there are some games I would like to play, don't have the time to play, so sometimes I just hop on her stream and just watch her play, watch her fall a lot, which is nice. Yeah, and I mean, I have real nice talks there. The chat is really great, very fun vibes. So yeah, if you want to follow a French speaking, well, a French streamer, really nice mood there. I really recommend. She generally streams in the morning. So yeah, you're the boss. Yeah, I'm the boss of a company of one yet, but yeah, it's cool. Well, if you want to stick around, we'll have some quizzes. Right now, I'm doing some unpaid labor with my viewers. Whoa! Wow. Okay. Thanks a lot, Laia. It's a little weird because you're a streamer I used to watch, and now you subscribe to my channel. I mean, like, what's going on? It's crazy. Thanks a lot. We're fun here too, Saika. Yes, of course you guys are fun. And Laia, those guys here are real trolls. If I make like a quiz, if I like just hack around like with a quiz, like some random questions, and they have free text, they will just pick the wrong answer, or just type the wrong answer on purpose. That's really touching. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. You know what? If we have a second, I'm gonna prove it to you. Let me open this. In the meantime, guys, I might just send you the link to BSquiz, to my BSquiz. Actually, it might help, right? Laia, maybe you remember I mentioned you something about connecting the chat to to a project. I have this. So if I do start game, just a random question. Trying to think of something where I can have silly answers, but okay, yeah, let's do the same one. What is 2 plus 2? That's the start game. If you guys want to vote, you just do exclamation point vote. One sec. What would be the route? Chat input. Right. So I think we're connected now. Chat, you just do vote. I don't know, like the answer would be 4. I don't know if it's picking up though. Wait. Strands voted banana, of course, but I might have to try again. Okay. Start game. Wait, is it start game? Maybe I forgot the actual command. Yeah, start game. Start game. What is 2 plus 2? Try again, Strands. Or maybe it's just broken. I don't know. The library might be broken. Thank you, Shiani. See you next time. Okay, well, I might have to zoom out a little bit. 22. That one might be technically correct, Strands, in JavaScript. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know if that helps, but you get a basic idea of, you know, total 3 messages. Yeah, we have, it counts the messages in the chat, but it only takes the votes to display them. Then I can format it later, but yeah, that's the idea. And people are pretty quiet at the moment. Lord Nick, hi, how's it going? Going very good, thank you. Welcome to the chat, welcome to the stream, and let us know what you do, where you come from, etc. Whoa, Lavalia is like a nerd. But yeah. And if you vote again, your vote is just overridden at the moment. I'm a streamer, teaching programming more or less, and do open source project. Great. I kind of do the same thing, although I don't do a lot of teaching yet on the channel. I do it off stream for on one-on-one sessions, but we should definitely get in touch and, you know, maybe we could work together or something. We could collaborate or something. And also we have a project, well, one open source. Oh, and thank you for the follow. We have an open source project for Mauritius. So we have a website where we'll list all of the meetups because we have a user group, and we're working on some registration feature. We have I Am Strands, who is our assigned Supabase guy. So he handles the back end pretty much, and we do the front end because we are front end coders. And yeah, I'm a little bit worried about the rest of the chat because we only have 2 votes and only 1 right answer. I would love 1 million euros, but here I am. All right. Yeah, let me switch to this one. But yeah, so I don't know how the quiz is going to go. We have 2 champagne bottles and just 1 accurate voice vote. Supabase might get kicked out of that project apparently. Also, I heard, ooh, terrible things. But yeah, Lord Nake, I think I'm pronouncing it pretty all right. We sometimes do live deploys on this channel for some open source projects. So if you want to do that any day on the channel, you're like most welcome. All right, I'm just going to have a quick look at privately at BizQuiz responses. And I have exactly one participation now of 22,000 points from BXB. I can recognize the email address. Well, all right. Okay, serious talk now. We have a weekly match. I think we still have the champion in the chat. What kind of project? Oh, Lodnik, you need to add a string after your vote, because now we don't have the value of the vote. So the question was, what is 2 plus 2? Yeah, that's essentially it. So tonight we won't actually talk about the projects. Well, we won't actually develop the projects. We will use the projects I have worked on. So for example, here, without showing you the details page, because we have some real data here. Let me move you down. Oh yeah, thank you all for the champagne. You know, I don't drink, but you guys can share the champagne. That'd be great. So this is the back office for the quiz I've shared in the chat. So you have your current quiz. I will add the end date / expiry date for the quiz. This will lead to a leaderboard, etc., etc. So I build most of my stuff with Vue, Nuxt.js, because those are my daily drivers on most projects. I'm experimenting with Supabase as a backend completely. So there's no backend code per se here. It's mostly front end. But yeah, so you have a dashboard here, no stats yet. So you just edit your current quiz, set up your questions. So I'm showing you the answers, but there's no stakes there. So that's fine. And yeah, future tabs, boss quiz, your profile, etc. Well, yeah, that's one of the projects I've been working on. But now let's go to a more fun project. I need 1 to 4 themes for a quiz. Oh, there's an ad break in progress. Let me know if you are seeing an ad and not seeing me. Most people don't see it, so I don't know if someone is actually seeing that. I'm working on one fun project. If you want to check out, any advice is welcome. Sure. Let's play the game. Let's have a champion, and before the next game, we'll have a look at your project. You can send a link now in the chat, and then you can send the link again later. We can check that. I actually tested back in Singapore, and you do see ads if you watch without being logged in. All right. Wait for the first game. Your score is 13,000 points. Not too bad, not too bad. It's a little low, but yeah. But you got some answers right. J'ai pas répondu assez vite au premier. Yeah, you didn't answer fast enough for the first one, so yeah. And I think the top score would be theoretical top score would be 60,000. And that's technically not possible unless you're like superhuman or something. But yeah, maybe I should, from your feedback, everyone from the chat, and future feedbacks as well, I will try to adjust the way the score decreases, because the top score for a question is currently 20,000, and then it decreases as your time goes by. For the timer, right? Reaches 0 points, even if you have the right answer. So maybe that's too severe, that's not fun, I don't know yet. Still figuring things out. All right. Laraya, I was asking you, I think the other week, when you would be on Popcorn, like the TV show that actually inspired most of the games I have implemented. Now we're working with a platform where we will be able to play those different games. So tonight we'll just play one game of Le Pop Quiz. Au plus proche is not fully functional, and Le Risque 2 is like, we'll have a separate game. So yes, if you know, I think Raphael, Le Vrai Raphael, knows about those games. Laraya, I guess you know about all of them. But after Le Pop Quiz, we'll play Le Risque 2. That one is already prepared. But alright, you guys just give me some themes in the chat, at least one theme. We can play... Let's play with 15 questions. Okay, superheroes. Do you want to have a more precise... Oh, here's what we can do. Okay, let me refresh this. Start game. Me a theme. Like this, right? You give me a theme by voting and we'll pick those themes. That'd be great. And I'm super excited for you guys to join as a player and then for me to show you the public screen because we have a little surprise. Tiny surprise. But it's fun. Yes. Okay. Apparently, for some reason, it doesn't take the first one. Oh, no, Laraya, it's... sorry, it's... For you, it's going to be vote and then your vote. It's going to be like this. The command for you is this one. Wizard. Lord Nake, there's a slight bug. If you can try again. We've got the vote from Laralia. Strand's still around. Oh, and by the way, maybe I didn't share. Oh, yeah, because those are in my slides. I made slides for stream. Yeah. Dumbledore. Okay, wow, that's precise. I hope that, yeah. So tonight you can win the weekly title. You get the role in the Discord server. So for now, Raphael has it. And you can come back next week to defend your title. So yeah, the surprise is the Twitch integration in the public screen and the player screen, which means, you know, next week when I do some changes and break everything, you don't have to leave the app, go to another browser, especially if you're attending just on your phone, right? But yeah, hopefully that works. It worked for me. I don't know if it will work for everyone, but we'll see. And yes, the questions are now generated with GPT-4. Strands, it should be a little bit more interesting. We'll see. But all right, we have 3 votes. We have Harry Potter, we have Wizard, we have superheroes. I'll give just 1 more minute for a final theme if someone wants to suggest a theme, and then we can start playing. Else we'll play with 15 questions, and technically we'll have a new winner. Well, Strands has already won, but not last week. Or maybe we'll have a completely new winner. And if you want to have the title on this Discord, then I'd be glad to have you on the Discord at this link. So how long did you take to make this? It depends. Le Pop Quiz, roughly a month, and then a lot of adjustments throughout the time. So let's say roughly 2 months for Le Pop Quiz, right? But over 2 months for the platform, lots of bugs and everything. But yeah, while learning, so I think it's fair. All right, so I will start adding the themes. Hydrate, thank you. I don't know why I forgot to hydrate today. I guess I'm too excited. All right, so we have superheroes. It might take a while to generate. GPT-4 takes more time. Wizard and Harry Potter. I won't be able to check the validity of the answers for Harry Potter because I don't know it. Okay, please don't unfollow. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. J'ai vu le hydrate et j'ai direct pris la moitié. So Laraya is saying she saw the hydrate, and as she's a streamer, she directly had the reflex to start drinking. Well, Laraya, cheers. Yeah, exactly. How would you say that in English? Okay, moving the... Oh no, my mouse. It's not working anymore. Just remove the battery. Pro tip, your mouse doesn't respond. Remove the battery, put it back in. It should work. Not this time. That's embarrassing. Okay. Really not working. Do I have another battery? Conditioning, I think in English. Yeah, something like this. I'm going to film. I wish you luck. Thank you. Okay, so I start generating. So we have roughly a minute to start chatting. I mean, to chat. And then the questions would be ready. So it's generating 15 questions. But yeah, I will paste the link in the chat so that you can join. The code will be pre-filled. I'll just ask you to put your current Twitch name. It's an open text, but just put your name, your Twitch username. That'd be a little bit easier for me tonight. But yeah, so Lordnake, you're a developer. Quick info, as you might have caught, I'm using GPT to generate the questions. There's a little bit of pre-prompting, so you kind of guide the model to generate what you need, right? So I tell it to, return me a JSON, obviously, return me questions with the answer, and also 4 options, among which we need a match for the answer, etc. And yeah, we have all of our questions. I hope it's 15, not 16. Sometimes if I do 20, it can give me a bonus thing. But yeah. Laralia, when Laralia is back, then we can start. I think we'll have 3 players for tonight. But I can already send you the link. So here, okay. I'm gonna show it with the, okay, maybe I can hide the passcode. Yeah, let me just do that. Yeah, and move you down. So here as a game master, you would see that screen. I'm going to copy this and I can share it in the chat and you guys can join. I will open the public screen. Right. And this one goes, well, the game master screen goes down like this. Okay. And we can see the chat here. Technically, you will be able to chat from your UI. Just let me know if that's working. If you can send me send a message in the chat from, hey, Laraya, welcome back. If you can send a message from the app, that'd be great. Need to log in again. Need to log in, okay, to chat there. Oh, yeah, because you're not logged in on your browser, probably, on the browser you're using. That would be why. Yeah, it wouldn't be cross browsers. Laraya, are you using a browser where you're already logged in? If so, you should be able to chat from your app. Strands, same question for you, I guess. And Lord Nake, we do that a lot here on the channel. I build a feature, but I need real testers, so you guys are the testers. Using same browser. Okay, that's strange. But yeah, let's not push it too far. Oh, I have Brave that. Okay, yeah, if you're using Brave, yeah, it might prevent the sharing and everything. Using same browser but cannot chat. Okay, well, that was a try. I use Brave too. Okay, yeah. I'm a developer and I use Chrome. Maybe I should change. But alright, we have 3 players. Arc is pretty permissive then. Yeah, it's cool. If you're on your desktop, do screen live. Yeah, cool. I also have a lot of players who, some of my players, I should say, use their phone only to access the live and play the game. So that's one way for them to avoid context switching, and the system is not like super robust yet that it could handle switching back and forth, etc. You Google all my well, yeah, but Brave is kind of cheating. You're using the best of Google Chrome, aka Chromium, and not giving any data. I mean, I'm kidding. That's fair. That's fair. Test from GameWorks. Okay, cool. Very nice. Good, thank you. Okay, I think we will start. Let's start. Okay. Right. So if you guys have seen the pub quiz, we generally have a leaderboard. I just have the leaderboard for the top 3-4 players. If we have more, they're not actually displayed there, but that's the idea. Lord Nake, you might be interested in that. I have a button here where I ping the WebSockets for each client. Sorry, I touched that. How to play this? Any rules? Yep. Oh yeah, I didn't show any. I play a lot of board games. Yeah, this is not a board game. This is just a trivia game. But I'll start the game. I'll let you know when I'm about to request the new question. And then you'll have a timer, like 4 seconds, and you can... then you'll see the question, etc. You'll have 4 choices. You pick one and hit submit. Don't forget to hit submit. If you don't, the button will start shaking. You'll see. Yeah. And that's about it. Yeah, let's win. Well, Laralia, I know we want everyone to win. With mouse or chat? Yeah, don't worry about the chat. With your mouse, or yeah, you're on your computer. So yeah, with your mouse, you just click the answer you want and you click submit. All right. Yeah, so I have this ping. Because WebSockets are not so stable, what I do before I start, I ping all of the sockets that are connected to the room. I'm using socket.io. And then when I get a message back, I register all of them. If I get all of them, then it's marked as green. Well, it helps, but it's not fail-proof yet. Okay. Type 1 in the chat if you're ready. Yeah. Lord Nake is ready. Laralia, Strands, are you ready? Strands, BXB might not be able to play today. Family reunion, I think. But yeah. Laralia types, oh, okay. That works too. Strands, type 1, and then we start. Okay, let's go. First question coming up. Who is the alter ego of Spider-Man? Lord Nake. Okay, I am Strands, 300 points. You were faster, but everyone got it right. Very good. Okay, You guys are good. I have like, yeah, easy. Yeah, very good. Okay, next question. Okay. What is the real name of Batman? Laraya, you have to lead on that one, and you're actually leading by just 2 points. That's like 2/10 of a second, I think. You have 300 points max when you're the first one, and then you know you get less and less marks as the time goes by. Team 33 is back. Okay. All right. Next question. This one is going to go quick because you guys answer all of the question and pretty quickly. So yeah. Who is the god of thunder in Marvel Comics? Even I know that one. But it's really close between Laraya and Strands. Okay, Laraya leading. Very good. Lord Nake, you're still very close. You can still win this. But I guess Laraya will strike again on the next 2 questions. And then the theme will change. Aha, interesting one. What is the name of Iron Man's AI assistant? Laraya is like killing it. Yeah, well, it's your theme, so that's good. Serious player. Very good. Both answers are good? What? No, just Jarvis. Oh, that wasn't a question. So technically both answers are good. Last AI was Friday. Okay, I forgot the disclaimer, but GPT technically has knowledge up until 2021. It can have knowledge past that, but that's the exception, not the rule. Strands, remember the quiz on Oppenheimer and Barbie, the movie? That was hilarious. Yeah, the data set. Yeah. And maybe sometimes this month, Strands, I will use LangChain. For those who don't know, LangChain is a tool for working with different AIs. So technically, LangChain could help me pick data from Wikipedia, feed that to GPT so that GPT would just do the chunking of the data into questions. I'm pretty excited about that concept. All right, next question. Ah, interesting. Who is the leader of the X-Men? Oh, Lord Nig was first on that one, I think. Strands having a doubt. Oh, Laraya was first? Okay, maybe there's some issue on the WebSockets there. It's not updating the first one. Okay, interesting. You guys are so fast. Very good. All right, I think that the theme will change now. Who is the author of Harry Potter series? Easy. Even I know that. Haven't read it. Yeah, all good from everyone. And is there a bug, or is Laraya like killing like all of the questions now? I can see that. What is the name of Harry Potter's pet owl? Don't ask me. Hedwig. All right, noted. Strands was the fastest on that one, but Laraya slowly taking the lead. I think this is the best match so far. It's very close. I like it. Next question. Who is the headmaster of Hogwarts? Albus. Do you say Albus or Albus, like in Latin? Dumbledore. All right. I didn't know that. Well, I know the name, but I don't know what he does. Bus? Albus? I'm not sure, Lalaria. Bus, like the vehicle, yeah. That doesn't sound right. What is the name of Harry Potter's school? And two of you have already answered before. Okay, Hogwarts. Wow, you guys are good. What is the name of Harry's best friend? Hermione. Okay. It's not the other guy? Okay. Noted. That was, I think, the last question from Harry Potter. So we will play Hermione. What? What is that spelling? Hermione. In which language is that? Yeah. Phonetically, like, yeah. Based on the sound. Hermione. Oh, okay. Hermione. Hermione. Okay. Well, in French, we say Hermione. Something like that. All right. We're leaving Hogwarts and we're going to the final theme. Oh no, Harry Potter again? What? Who is the villain in Harry Potter series? You read mine wrong. Hermione. Misclick. Ooh. Wait, what? Misclicked? Oh, but you didn't misclick on the submit button. You misclicked on the first one, or? I lost time. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Laraya plays a lot of real-time games, video games, so she's used, I guess, to the pressure. Put answers in 2 rows. Easier to read. Yeah, that's the feedback I got before. I'm mainly targeting mobile phones, but of course that's not an excuse. I will adapt the UI for desktops as well. I don't think I have a lot of work lined up for that app. So yeah. Easier to read and another suggestion. Yep, sure. Go ahead. Show first question, wait a few seconds, and then show the answers. Yeah, just like Kahoot and competitors, right? Some people are slow readers. So if I do that, the important thing would be to start the timer when I show the answers. Or I could even show the questions. Yeah, show the question. Show the answers disabled with a timer. After that countdown, then I start the timer for the question. I could do something like this. Need like a second more, yeah. But to be fair, everyone is on the same playing field, right? Next, we don't have that question. We don't have that command yet. We're not that connected to Twitch, but the plan is that in the future, yeah. And the exclamation mark should be before. But yeah, I'm planning on having a special version where the viewers can join with their account directly. Oh, let me snooze the break. Snooze for 5 minutes. All right, let's finish that one on GPT. Okay, next question coming up. What is the name of the wizarding bank in Harry Potter? Why is everything Harry Potter? We don't have the wizard separately, but okay. Alia. Miss 300. That's your new name for tonight. Miss 300. We have 3 more questions, including that one. What is the name of the sport played in Harry Potter? I know that one. Well played, everyone. I think, unless there's a major misclick, we might have a winner there. But, you know, still mathematically doable. So Miss a lot. Yeah. I visited Harry Potter Studios this year. Aha. Okay, so you have a big advantage here. But I guess you're already a big fan. That's your big advantage here. But Strands is not bad either. I mean, Strands is great as well. Lonake, you have scored more than I would. At least twice the amount of points on Harry Potter. Yep, sure, Lord Nake, most welcome. Saika, yeah, they're still streaming here. They played cricket, obviously, yeah. Another thing to suggest, why am I reading down there? I could read there. I mean, on the public screen. Although you guys won't see it because there's my face, I guess. Well, there are two more questions. I won't just... It's okay. After the answer, give description why this answer is the right one. Yeah, Lonik, that would be interesting. Actually, a planned feature for months now for those games, Le Pop Quiz, but even before that, Le Risque 2, was to have an educational version. So you have the questions, some people answer right or wrong, and then we have an extra step where we have some more information about the question and around the topic. So that's in the pipeline, hopefully by December or early next year. Saika, the troll, is there. I was in Edinburgh where some of the scenes were recorded. Oh yeah, that's really cool. Saika, like 1 or 2 months ago. Yeah, you were telling us on Discord and I think on the chat as well while you were traveling. Why Quidditch is right, because they played okay. There's a Quidditch video game in production. I can't wait. Oh, like Quidditch, like they have Madden, they have NBA 2K, like we'll have Quidditch 2023, something like this. Lord Nick, and another thing you can do, save quiz question and data. So not every time use GPT. Yes, that was suggested. That would be the biggest endeavor, because that would change it from just like an arcade machine game to an actual, I don't know if we can call it a SaaS, because you would have the machine to play the games. You would also have pre-built questions, and yeah. For now, since I'm just using a generalized tool, GPT-4, it's acceptable that questions are generated on the fly and they are what they are, right? But if I prepare questions, shouldn't they have to be of higher quality? That's a question I'm asking myself. Yeah, let's achieve my dream of being catcher. Oh, okay. Catcher, okay, yeah. I don't know how you say vif d'or in English. Strands, if you can help on that one. You're the human translator of the channel. I wouldn't save the questions. Let me snooze again. I wouldn't save the questions, as with GPT you can get them on the fly and doesn't take additional server space. Yeah, but Saika, there's a cost, and it does take, well, it takes a minute. It takes like a minute and a half maybe for 20 questions, but yeah. To take my winner loss, but wait, translate what? Video. Sorry, my mom called me at the same time. No worries. Okay, players, are you ready for the next 2 final questions? Not catcher, but vif d'or. How would you translate that? Lord Nake is ready. Strands and Laia, are you ready? Golden Snitch. That sounds a lot less nice than vif d'or. Right, Strands, are you ready? Laia, I guess you're not ready yet. official name though. Yeah. It's completely different from... Okay, Strands is ready. Laralia is back. Okay, perfect timing. Let's go to the 2 last questions. What is the name of Harry's godfather? Saika is ready as well. Good, Saika. Next time. Oh, and the name was Sirius Black. I've heard that name, but no way I could have gotten the answer. And the winner is Cheeks. Actually, no, and just 1/10 of a second or something like this. Impressive. Strands got the best. That one. Lord Nake. I might have picked the same one, to be honest. Okay, final question. And I think Laralia paid OpenAI to get more Harry Potter questions. But yeah. The real answer is Vito Corleone. Alright, noted. Maybe I should save the questions for Harry Potter and proofread them. Alright, final question. Final one for tonight. And we'll have the official winner. What is the name of the potion that can change a person's appearance? Laralia has answered. I Am Strands has answered. Lord Nake, what is your answer? Oh, she missed? Ooh! Well, Laralia, that was very close, but you won. Yeah, you misclicked very badly. You won by less than 100 points. That was very close. I'll send you the replay. But yeah, well done. And Strands, no cutting off the webcam and just taking the sound. I'm clapping, right? We have the command. Clap at Alia. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Very well done. And we have the tiara. Tiara, if I can type. You have the tiara for this week, Laria. Well done. Yeah, Laria, yeah. The sound. Okay, I won't clap for you anymore. Okay. Strands. I mean... Okay, fair. I've trolled enough on your channel. Yeah. You have the right to troll me as well. That's fine. Fair game, fair game. And well played. Laralia, if you want to troll you. Yeah. Fair game. I've been trolling you for weeks, so it's only fair. And Laralia, if I don't know if you are on the Discord, but if you want to join the Discord, I will change the title and you will have the title. So right now on Discord, let me open up Discord. Okay, well, maybe not like this. Event. Not event. What am I doing? Settings. Wait. Server settings. Roles. Right. So we have roles there. Wait. Laria is a troll, not me. Okay, it's like you might be. I must say I'm surprised how much good answers I got because I watched like okay. Fair. Laria, I'm sorry said I have to leave you tonight. I was living a tough evening and you made it better. Well, I'm Dutch. Thanks again for joining. So thank you. Keep doing your job. I'll come back for sure. Take care. Well, you take care too, Laralia. I hope everything will be all right on your end. And yeah, see you tomorrow morning for your stream. Yep, that was great. So where can I post link? Yes, post directly in the chat, Lord Nake, and then we can have a look at it. Cheers, everyone. I'm leaving just so you can have a chance to yes, yeah. Why is Laraya on or Faith fans? Okay. All right, it's Vue.js. Nice, nice. Okay, just one thing. I'll have to remove the role here for Le Vrai Raphaël, and once Laraya joins the... Oh, she's there already. My bad. So you have the role. Well done. Okay. Oh yeah, she just joined. So yeah, that's great. You can look at the source code. All right, Lord Nake. I'm opening it up, and then we'll have slots for people to join. Okay, so let me open up my chat down there. Okay, so what does it do? Remind me briefly what the app does. Laravel Plus. Oh, is it a calculator? 15K PC. You can program via input buttons to share via input button what to store to memory and do calculations. Okay, that might be a little bit advanced for me, but let's try. How does it work? Okay. Zoom out a little to see. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Like this. Showtime verb displays now. Terminate verb. Press enter the computer. Press enter to change noun, etc., etc. Okay. You need to type verb 16, noun 65. It will give current time. Okay. Verb 16. Right. And then noun 65. Like this. And press enter. Oh, my bad. Yeah. Okay. Wait. So, what am I seeing here? Please guide me. I'm not that smart. And press enter. In hours, minutes, and seconds. Is that seconds here? Well, I don't know. I don't know. Anything in the console? We have a 400. Oh, that's just for the file icon. You can call the ROM and get back current time to display into registers. Check the source code. So where do I see the GitHub? Or is everything in? Okay. Where is your script tag here? Yeah, that's going to help. My brain is not working. What am I looking at? Well, trying to figure this out. So it's in the HTML, I presume. Number to 6, yes, on the bottom. Start view. Oh, you have a view instance in there, okay. That's an unconventional way of using view, but that's interesting. So where do you load your view file? Okay, yeah, you just load, you're using it like the light way of using view. Okay, interesting. I don't have a use case for that yet, but and every method here does something different. But okay, we should speak off stream. And yeah, we should speak off stream. You're gonna tell me more about that, and if we can find the time, you can come maybe as a guest on the channel someday. But that's flies above my head at the moment, so I'm not making it justice yet. So I would like to understand it, then we can talk about it, like have more useful conversation about it. It seems like it's doing different interesting things with Vue, and so maybe a niche use case for Vue, but need to have a look at it. And have you tried Svelte in that context, and how would it compare? Sure, it's open source, so anyone can contribute. Inspiration is from Apollo AGC. See. Okay, Apollo digital computer produce. Oh wow, okay, all right, noted. But yeah, thank you for sharing, and yeah, we'll stay in touch. Thank you. All right, we have a winner, Lord Nake, Laraya, right? She has the role on the Discord, but we have a new game. Unfortunately, I think we have 3 player. We need an extra one for the game, Le Risque 2. I'm going to prepare the game. Oh wait, I missed an event. Raudev, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the chat, welcome to the stream. Let us know where you come from and what you do. Hi, do you recommend Linux for front end? Yes, I highly recommend it over Windows. Definitely. And Haldev, if you're keen, we can play a game. It's a game that I've implemented, that I've seen on a talk show. And we'll play 4 players individually. And yeah, it's a turn-by-turn trivia game, right? I have already prepared the questions. 5 themes, 4 questions per theme in order of difficulty. You can pick the one you want. And yeah, it's turn by turn. I'm using Windows Subsystem 2, okay, but I'm thinking to change to full Linux. I'm from Mexico. Nice. Welcome. I think it's the first time I have someone from Mexico. Yeah, definitely. So welcome to the chat. Are you up for some trivia? And well, I can change the names in the file. Just confirm who is going to play. So if Lord Nick, if you're going to play, Strands, Saika, and Raul, if you're going to play, let me know in the chat. Yes, please. Okay, so I'll use your streamer name. So I'm modifying well, give me a sec. Need to find the file. Open with VS Code. All right. So chat, who else is playing? We have Raul. Am I still... Feels like there's a big delay between me and the chat and the stream. No, it's 5 seconds, more or less. A bit more than 5 seconds. More than 5. That's strange. Let me type in the chat. Who else is joining? Okay, so I'm going to add mstrands. Lord Nick still around? Still there? Oh, I call him Saika all the time. As you know, we can chat until we have the 2 extra players. I think Rafael has left. Yeah, he's probably not in the chat anymore. Too bad. Well, next time we'll have him. So Raul, how long have you been doing front-end development? So if I change this, I upload the file, you see the update. It's just, oh no, it didn't change it. Why? Oh yeah, now it's changed. We are looking for 2 more players. 1 year, but the Linux subsystem don't feel good, and for web dev. Yeah, so I was using Windows. I've been using Windows for many years to develop front-end code. I didn't want to do the full shift, but by accident, I wanted to use Linux for front-end development and still have Windows, but by accident, I wiped the whole computer at the time 3 years ago and started using Linux. And well, I didn't have time to play games anyway, so I just went with it. And yeah, I can do almost everything on Linux, and it's my daily driver now. All right, I will add your stream name as well. Okay. And yeah, we need 1 more player and then we can have fun. I will show you the update here. So if I go back, oops, to the file. What software do you use if you need any creative tool? Strands can guide you there better than I would, I think. I think Strands has worked as a designer in the past. That's very rare for a developer, so you can have very good insight there. And Haul, if you have questions about web development, you can join the Discord at this link. We have quite a few great developers there that are willing to help. They have different experience levels. So yeah, feel free, man. Just join. And yeah, we have Saika, who helps some of the beginners and who is technically a beginner plus, I think, because he's been working a lot on the front end on his free time. And yeah, I've seen the improvements since May, I think. It's like good. It's impressive. So yeah, I'm just on Figma. Yeah, back to basics. Let me close these. Wait, did I miss something? Just checking. Let's try. It's no Photoshop. Not anymore, but I used to. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back. If you guys have a player you know and who wants to join, then most welcome. I will be right back. Let me stop the camera and the mic. Who called the police? Someone is talking about the FBI. Okay, I leave that to my girlfriend. Saika says, I thought maybe you have some license for that. Nah, but uh-huh. All right. All right. So it's not on your machine anymore. Strands. Share how? Come on, man. You know how. Does it still work nowadays? I mean, how safe? Okay, okay. I don't know how it works nowadays. Back in the days when I was a student, you could hack around. I'm not gonna say how, but you could test it for free for longer than 30 days. But nowadays, I don't know how that works. Right, guys, do you have anyone you would like to invite to the game? Else we're going to play and we'll just have someone. We'll just have one empty player. I'm trying to get an extra player. It's much more fun if we have 4 players. some people registered, but last minute couldn't join, unfortunately. Oh, and by the way, is Raul still there? You will have, technically you will have to join the Discord, so we can talk, join on a voice call. So it's much easier to play the game because you have like 25 seconds, and if you have to type that, it's not great. So yeah. Let me share the link to the Discord call. So there. Oh, hello there. Thank you for joining the Discord. So can I... Nope, I cannot share any link to that call. But you guys feel free to join. We can have a chat there while we have a final player. If in like 5 minutes we don't have a final the fourth player, then we'll just start. Hey, Raul, welcome. Do you play trivia games generally? In any case, let's chat until like 4 or 5 more minutes. How was the day and what did you work on today? Psychastrans. Yeah, sure. You just let us know when you're ready. Try. We're still missing one player, as mentioned. I heard you call me. I mentioned your name. No, if you well, for us to play the game, you will have to join the call. It's going to be easier if you voice out. Well, you give the answer orally rather than typing it. It will be a bit quite more dynamic. Let me get my stuff ready. Okay. Let me check something. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Obviously. Mm. Let me check one more thing. All right, we can start. We don't have the final player. We'll just consider that as a bot. You can try to give your guesses, but that score won't be picked. We can start when guys are ready. So where's the game? Oh, the game is over there. So this, upload the file. What? Upload the file. No. But how about that? Maybe it's another error, but so I just joined the call. Yeah, just join the call. And we'll need Saika as well. And we'll need how to join back. Oh, I think it's related. It's been a while, so I need to fix maybe like this, that will work. Okay, yeah, the name was too long. Hello, Mr. Strands. How's it going?
Howdy.
How was the trip and everything?
Pretty good.
Yes,
pretty good.
please. You have recovered yet? I guess not.
No, not at all. Not in the slightest. Still pretty much jet lagged. But it I'll manage. I'll manage.
Yeah. Well, you just feel like a developer that has slightly overworked.
Yeah, exactly. I'm used to like staying up late and not sleeping too much. So that's just another Tuesday for me, I guess.
Sadly. By the way, we're still Monday here.
Yeah, I know.
My earbuds are not working. How's that? Okay, so just take the charge. Okay. I'm going to use my earbuds just so that I don't get the echo and everything. So
Alright.
Bluetooth. Oh no, it's connected to my phone at the moment. Disconnect that. Okay, we're connected. So now the sound. Okay, I get the music. So can you speak? Let me check.
Hello, hello. Test one,
Yeah.
two.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good now. I can hear you.
Okay.
So We'll need Taika and someone else. But yeah, so how are the projects going?
Well, so far so good, I'd say. I managed to get rid of the annoying ones, so that's a plus. Still have one big Elementor website that I need to ship like in a few days. Trying to basically rush and finish it. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I have to prepare my first presentation for next meetup, apparently, because I'm already on the website.
Oh,
I don't know if you see.
nice. I haven't checked.
Yes, Sun already put me on.
Yeah, okay, yeah, Sun put you up, so you kind of have to do it now, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
Now I just have to.
Twitch. Trying to get another player. Meanwhile, gonna be 13 minutes. So, yeah, maybe even less. Maybe even less than 30 minutes. Unless some people disagree on the questions and things like this. But yeah.
Yeah.
Saika, what's up, man? Thank you for joining the call. I guess Rahul is on his own call. Your call. And again, if you have anyone around who you think would like to play the game, just let them know and we can have them on the call and it should be good.
I wish I had. I asked a few people. I even asked my girlfriend if she wanted to play. She's not available at the moment.
Yeah, no worries. And Saika's girlfriend, I think she would be streaming at the moment.
She's not streaming, she's playing, but she has a bad day.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, that's
Me too, but
it's hard to start the week on a bad day. Like a Monday being a bad day. It's tough. I hope the week gets better for her. And how are you doing, Saika? Are you doing all right on your side?
could be better.
Could be better. Well, if you win, maybe. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I hope the game will distract you a little bit. So we can play with 3 players, but 2 won't be enough, unfortunately. So yeah. So Saika, how's Netflix 2.0 going?
Pretty much done. I just gonna do the page where you can post stuff, and it will be with Socket.io, probably, WebSockets.
Okay.
So you see any new posts when on the page.
So you're using Socket.io now. Serious stuff, man.
Gonna use it soon. I just finished the phone verification.
All right. Oh, phone verification. Wow. Yeah. Definitely have to showcase how it was done.
Code is dirty for now, so I'm not gonna show that.
All right. Guys, so I don't know if we'll have enough players. Owl is taking a bit of time. I don't want to keep you up too long. I don't know when he sent his message. Was it like more than 5 minutes ago? Do you have any topic you'd like to talk about? Maybe we can take like 5 more minutes and then I guess we'll start. We'll just showcase the game. And
I think I have a topic for you.
yeah, tell me.
Have you tried Bun?
No, I've seen videos and I have it installed. Bun run. What was it? Was it Bun X? The cow thing? I forgot the.
Yeah, it
Bun.
does take a while to get used to the syntax.
No, I forgot the name of the library. You can use it. You can use it with npm or anything, but it was like this funny, weird example where they say it's instant or whatever. Where is it? Can't find it. Do you know the answer? The example I'm talking about?
I'm not sure which one you're referring to.
There's one where you run a script and it's just like ASCII art of a cow with your message above. But I just can't find it.
House?
It's a Cauce, I think Cauce, yeah. Is it Linux? No, is it npm Cauce? Yeah. Where's oh, my chat is here. My bad. Yeah, so install it. Oh, it's just like this. No, it can't be. So you don't use npm or whatever. Maybe I'm confusing things. Yeah, so npm. Oh, it's npm run npx. I don't know. Whatever. Oh, it's not. So okay, bun cow say example. Will we find it there? Yeah, okay, this. What? I don't know what's going on. Oh. There. Yeah. Oh, so it's downloading things and my connection would be slowed down by the stream, I would assume. So that would take some time. Oh no, I'm not on Tmux. Well, that doesn't exist. Yeah, so just that, and npx has a delay. then it works. But Bun should be, yeah. Okay, on here Bun is much faster. BunX versus NPX. Well, that's very obvious. That's impressive. But also Nuxt is not doing, oh, Nuxt, what? BunX and Bun is not doing as many things as NPM or PNPM would be doing. PNPM, Yawn, NPM, they do package integrity checks. Bun doesn't do that. So you have to be aware of this big difference, right? And I don't know if there's like a manual command that you can run when you want it. But I don't know, it's... Of course on my projects I can do that. But if something... I guess your build would break. That would make sense. But sometimes, you know, it's JavaScript. You can have a lot of uncaught errors at build time. Have you tried it yet, Strands?
I have. I mean, I have only for like silly examples. I mean, not the Cowsay one, but others. I haven't tried it in an actual project though. I'm still waiting to see like what the community around Bun will do with it. And I'm pretty excited to see if they actually come up with like actual ways to run it in production.
All right, yeah, that makes
Like
sense.
as a replacement to what we currently have, I mean.
Okay, yeah. My question would be around tests. VTest is already fast, and Bun test is even faster. But would they build on top of that or something? I'm interested to see like how this part is going to evolve.
That's a pretty good question, actually.
I guess
I'd
time
like
will
to know
tell.
about that too. Yeah, exactly.
You know what we're going to do, Saika? If you're still on the call, we'll have 2 players for each one. So maybe Strands can start, and then we'll have Saika, and then I am Strands, Saika, and then Strands, and then Dead Taika. Well, that's too long. I'm going to have to shorten it to 10 characters. Okay. Dead Day Dallas, just like this. So if I go back, upload a file, this one. Why are there 4 themes? 2, 3, 4. What? Where's history? Okay, we have a bug. I'm just going to start the game to see maybe it's a bug here, but not in the app itself. We have played, so it's turn by turn. You can read the rules there. Let me close some things. Did we get a crash or something? Have I lost connection? What's going on this app? Or did the server break or something? Netlify. Wait, my connection to the server seems like super slow. Kill it, stop it, load it. Okay, it's loading. All right. I open the publics. Oh, but there's 4 themes. Okay, I have to fix a bug. Whoops, you're not supposed to see that. Hope no one saw it. Well, none of you two, at least. Have to see where the problem could be here. Oh, maybe those column. Ah, I see. Maybe these could be a problem in the formatting of the questions. I don't see any of these there. Okay. Well, I have to check some formatting just to make sure everything works. I'm gonna put the chat up there. Nope, still nope. So what's weird is that it's not the first theme or the last theme that's not working. It's the second theme. How would I know why that's breaking? And the server seems to be acting up just right now. Or like many people using the app or something? I don't think so. Let's check on Railway, you know. Dashboard. So I move you back down there. This app. Actually, no, nothing. And now it's the same bug, although I have moved. That's interesting. So I have, there's like geography, history, science, pop culture, and TV show. But, like there's one missing, which was in second place. I moved it down there and still not working. So, that's interesting. TV shows, and I write history. Oh, space here, maybe. That's going to help. Soon, we're playing soon. Yes, okay. Just one break line that was missing. So my formatting is like too strict. Okay, I think we can play now. Are you guys still there?
Yes.
Okay, so I think you guys haven't played the game yet. So, turn by turn game. You pick a theme, and in this theme, you pick a difficulty from 1 to 4. Difficulty maps to the amount of points. So if you pick difficulty 1 and you win, you get 1 point. If you pick difficulty 4 and you get the right answer, you get 4 points. But if you get it wrong, wow, the connection is slow or unstable here. I'm not sure what's happening, but we'll push through. Okay. So you answer before the timer runs out. The right answer, you win the points. The wrong answer, we remove the points. So let's say you start. You have 0 points. You pick difficulty 1. You get the right answer, +1. You get the wrong answer, -1. And it's not uncommon that people win with like 0 points, and most people would be at 0 or negatives. So no worries there. We have 5 themes, 4 questions per theme, as mentioned, 25 seconds per question. And there's more. You can steal points. That was a feature request from my friends and family while playing the games. Like, they wanted to... Sometimes the current player picked a question that they couldn't answer, but other players knew the answer. So now you can say steal at the end, and you can answer at the place of the current player. If you have the right answer, you get the points, but if you have the wrong answer, you lose the points, and the current player has their points unchanged. You ready? Let's play. So this is what I see, right? I'm going to start the game. It's okay, you won't see the questions yet. I'm going to click. You tell me which one, which theme, which question, and I click, and you'll see the question opening up. That will be in the public screen. This was the first game I developed, and first time I was using WebSockets. Okay, so I'll move that here. I'll have the chat there. You left the call? Who left the call? Oh, I think my Discord just crashed. So it's not me doing bad manipulation, it just crashes like that. Sorry guys.
Yes.
I think my Discord crashed. I didn't, and silently. So
Makes more sense.
yeah, my bad.
That's fine. That's fine.
I guess I should go over the rules again, or are we good?
I mean, quickly, yeah.
Yeah.
I was listening to the stream, but I might have missed
Yeah.
some bits.
No worries. Before I go to the normal rules and everything, you'll have like 2 players for you, like Strands, I am Strands and Strands, Saika, and Daedalus, because that was what would fit. Right. Daedalus. Yeah, you're this one and this one. Strands, that's pretty obvious. All right.
Why?
We're supposed to need 4 players for that, but we only have 2. And I'm glad you guys are there. So you get double serving. You get 2 players. Because else it's not balanced at all. Yeah. I don't think I've configured the game. I think it's really strict. So if there are 5 themes, I need 4 questions per theme and 4 players. Else it's 3 players, 4 themes, and 3 questions per theme. Nothing else works. All right. Okay, so we'll start with Strands. Strands, pick a theme and a question.
TV shows ×3, I guess.
Okay. TV show, 3 points. All right, I just lower the music again. Oh, I won't be able to hear anything. I can't lower it furthermore. So if I do this, can you still hear me?
Yep.
All right, good. So second TV shows, 3 points. This one.
Yep.
Are you ready, friends? 25 seconds. Coming up.
Okay. Let's go.
TV shows, The Big Bang Theory. What is the name of Howard Wolowitz's wife, who is known for her strong personality?
Bernadette.
Do you have the full name?
Bernadette Rostenskowski. I wouldn't know how to spell that.
Yeah, I think we can give you the point, like 3
Do I have to
points.
spell it?
No. But yeah,
Okay.
I tried, like, it's for 3 points, but you had the general idea, so I think it's fine. But for the next round, we might be a little less lenient. I guess we'll see how that goes. We'll figure it out. Right. Saika, pick a theme and a question, please.
Science.
Science, how many points?
2.
2? Okay, sure, not taking any risks, but all right. Let's do this. What is the process by which green plants convert light into energy, into chemical energy to produce their own food?
I know that in Polish, but not in English.
Okay, what is it in Polish? And I can Google that.
I forgot. No time. Okay.
Okay, 5 seconds. If you know in Polish, you can type that in the Discord chat maybe, or on the stream, and then we can Google. No? Okay, if you don't have it, wrong. Strands, do you want to steal or not?
I mean, do I just answer then?
You have to call steal, and if you have the right answer, then you can.
Okay. Steal?
Okay, we have to pick a player, the first one or the second one. I am Strands or Strands?
You choose. I have no idea.
Okay, let's pick the first one. Okay, and the answer is
Photosynthesis?
yes. So, Saika, if you had that in your language, I would have given it to you, but yeah. And it's fine if any questions like this, Saika, if you have it in your language, in Polish, then I can translate. That's fine. Okay, and then Strands, a question and a theme.
Pop culture times 2?
2 points, pop culture. All right. Video games in pop culture. What is the name of the easy character who wears red and has a mustache and created by Nintendo?
Mario the Plumber.
Yay! That's very good. Saika, you had that one.
Yeah.
You know, it's a surprise for each question, each theme, but yeah. So pop culture, we have video games. I think we have movies. We have things like these, like very popular. And again, those were generated mostly via GPT, and some of them were generated by a bot. At least to give me the idea, right? All right, Saika, second player for Saika. A question and a theme, please.
Geography for 4.
Geography for 4. Okay, yeah, we're taking risks there. I like that. So after answering that one, it will be the end of the first round, and probably I'll show you the scoreboard. Which Asian city is known as the City of Seven Hills and is the capital of India? Either you know or you don't know.
No, I don't know.
Ah,
City of 7 Hills, capital of India.
What is the capital of India? Essentially, that's the question. Do you know any city in India? Just give me one city you know in India, maybe. No?
No, India. All I know.
All right, never mind, never mind. So we won't give the steal all the time, every once in a while. But yeah,
Wouldn't guess that anyway.
yeah, New Delhi. Well, if you know a little bit about India, but I understand that in your country we don't talk a lot about India, but in Mauritius we have a close link to India, I think. So maybe that's why I would know. Well, I wouldn't even be sure of this answer, but yeah, New Delhi is the capital of India. I knew the name of the city, but I would have hesitated with another one. All right, let's toggle the scoreboard. So, we have Strands leading with his 2 players, 5 points and 2 points. Saika with 0 because Strands stole, and second Saika -4, but he took the risks. So we'll see. Let's carry on. So Saika, it will be you again, and then this player, then this again, etc. We'll go like that. All right, I think we can speed up things. Saika, a theme and a question, please.
Go with geography for 3.
Geography for 3. Nah. Redemption question. Okay. Oh, tough one. Which 2 countries share the world's longest international land border? So basically, you have the 2 countries, and the border has to be on land, not on water, whatever. So think of 2 big countries that you know on whichever continent. And China. Yeah, that was close, but actually, the correct answer, according to GPT, it's Canada and the United States. So Russia is the largest country. China is very big as well. But apparently, in terms of distance, the border itself is larger between Canada and the United States. I didn't know that. But yeah, you had the same reasoning I had before I saw the answer to that question. Okay, Strands. A question and a theme, please.
I'll say TV shows again, but ×2.
×2, okay. TV shows ×2. Oh, by the way, you can play like another layer of strategy here. Especially, I'm going to toggle the scoreboard. Saika, you can have this one taking all the risks, and this one taking like smaller, lower points questions, I guess. And same for you, Strands. You can pick and choose and be strategic, pretty much. Okay, right. TV shows for 2.
Yes.
Okay, TV shows for 2. In How I Met Your Mother, in the series, what is the profession of Marshall Eriksen?
PE teacher, I think. Wait.
Is that your final answer?
I might be wrong, but that's my final answer.
All right, Saika, do you have an answer to this? Have you watched it?
No, I didn't watch that.
Okay, that was wrong.
Marshall?
Yeah, I know, I was wrong.
Oh, he was tired.
Yeah, he's the guy that goes lawyered in the series. But yeah, it was quite some time ago.
Yeah, I forgot all about it.
Maybe.
Hey, look at this. We have Saika at 0 and Strands at 0. What do we do? Do we do like the average? Well, we'll decide towards the end, but do we do the average or do we do the sum? Would be interesting. I don't have a rule for that yet. All right, Saika, a theme and a question, please.
Pop culture for 3 points.
Let's go. Pop culture, 3 points. Who directed the 1997 film Titanic, which became a massive box office hit and won multiple Academy Awards? So who directed Titanic?
Like,
Yeah.
who was the... Okay.
Either you know, you don't know. Like, yeah, same for me. Any
Yeah,
names?
I
Any?
I would put that in TV more likely than pop culture, but can be both
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah, it's like it's so famous that it's technically in pop culture. But yeah. So no answers.
No.
Strands, would you like to steal?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, I've
He's
selected the first
stealing,
player.
he's losing points, not me.
Sorry. Sorry. James Cameron.
Yeah. Too strong.
I'll
Yeah.
put him.
Even I wouldn't be like sure. Hey, Mr. Sunshine. Yeah, you're late to the party, but you can, figure out how the game works, and next week you can join. I don't think we'll have a party, but yeah. I ran front of a party. What happened? Too many people? But yeah, here we're playing that game. Oh yeah, I know. Introvert, your energy, the social energy ran out, I guess. Really not enough good music. Or funk music. I don't know. That's just for stream, by the way. I don't listen to that. It was negative. Oh, yeah. Sorry to hear. We own energy now. Yeah, wow. I know those. It's not fun. It's not always fun. So I hope you don't have no not yeah, I thought it was that, but his energy bank, I guess, was negative, like below 0.
Okay.
Now yeah, social energy is like in the negatives. That's not fun at all. Yeah. So, Mr. Sunshine, we are playing a game turn by turn, but unfortunately, we didn't have enough players for it to be optimal. We had 2 players instead of 4, so I decided to give 2 players to each of them. So we have Strands twice and we have Saika twice. Basically, the rules of this game is you have your player, you have 5 themes, 4 questions per theme. Points go from 1 to 4, the difficulty as well. You pick one question. Well, you'll see in a second, but you pick one question, you answer it. If you have the right answer, you win the points. If you have the wrong answer, you lose the points. So if we check the scoreboard, you can see that we have 2 players at 0, we have one at 8, and another one at -7. To be fair, most of the questions might be most suited to Strands, since I guess we're from the same country, we have the same influences. And Saika is from Poland. I think he grew up right in Poland and everything. So his influence might be very different from ours. Also, all of the questions were generated from GPT and Bard, which is very Western oriented. So yeah. Chances Ellen's daddy.
What? What? The,
Too
what
strong.
the hell?
I don't know. I missed the update about Super Base, and now this Strands. What's going on?
I have no idea.
Yeah, all right. Anyways, Strands. A theme and a question, please.
Pop culture times 4.
Times 4 or 1?
Yeah.
Times 4. Pop culture times 4. I think, well, it's fair because you have most chances to score there than Saika, I guess. But maybe Saika has better chances of answering maybe in history. Well, we'll see. We'll see.
History.
Before becoming a stand-up comedian and adopting the Joker persona, what was Arthur Fleck's occupation? I don't know if that's too recent for pop culture, but
A janitor? I forgot.
So-
I watched the movie. I forgot what it was.
you watched the movie Joker, right?
Yeah.
So your final answer is janitor.
Yeah.
Saika, have you watched the movie?
I don't know who he is.
Ah, too bad. Yeah, it's a movie. So you know Batman, right?
Hardly.
Okay, well, it's a bad guy in Batman, and he's so famous that they made a movie that explains his life story. Pretty much what. All right, so yeah, he worked as a clown for hire. So yeah, Mr. Sunshine, you were right. He worked as a clown. Unfortunately, you're not in the game, but yeah. All right, all right. So scoreboard is interesting now. So strengths for the same player, a theme and a question, please.
TV shows times 4.
TV shows times 4. In Breaking Bad, what is the real name of the main character before he adopts the alias Heisenberg?
Oh, okay. Walter White.
Final answer?
Yeah, final answer.
Are you sure?
Yeah. This time I'm not like, scrambling for more stuff.
All right. That was very good. That was Walter White. Well played. Saika, a theme and a question, please.
Pop
Mr.
culture
Sunshine,
for
I'm
one.
not sure. Pop culture for one. Okay. Mr. Sunshine, probably not because there's a delay between the stream and the Discord call. So we should be fine pretty much. Who is the fictional superhero known for wearing a bat theme costume?
Batman.
Okay. Yes. Well played, well played. That was
One
correct.
easy.
Let's go! First point! Can't figure that one out. Alright. Strengths, a theme, and a question, please.
TV shows times 1.
TV shows times 1. Note that we have science and we have history. You guys are going to have to work at it.
Yeah. I'll better keep that for
And
last.
in France, what is the name of the coffee shop where the 6 friends frequently hang out throughout the series? So I need the exact name.
Oh, come on.
This is supposed, according to... no, Mr. Sunshine, that's not it.
I have no idea.
Saika, any ideas? Have you watched Friends?
Yeah, it was Central Park or something like that. But
Yeah.
I'm not sure how was.
Okay, I think we can give that one to Saika. It's very good.
I
So
know
Central...
It was Central Park, but there was a one letter different.
Yeah, I think for 1 point...
Park.
Yeah, perk. So for 1 point, I'll give you that. It's fair. You took the risk, and yeah, you don't have a lot of points yet. So, all right. Yeah. So Strands, Saika did beat you to a pop culture question. That's interesting. All right, Saika. Now for your own turn. Sorry? Question, theme and question, please. Science for 4. Yeah, I like that. I prefer the energy in this party. Yeah.
He's
Smooth.
gonna take the history for.
Okay. So, for 4 points, who is the only person who have won Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields? I think she's from your country, originally.
I believe so, but I don't. Maria Skłodowska-Curie?
Do you know her French name? It might be her
No.
Polish name.
Marie,
Maya, yes.
but French name I don't know. It's Skłodowska-Curie.
How do you write that?
Curie, C-U-R-E-I-E.
C-U-R-E-I-E. C-U-R-E-I-E. No, can you send it to me in the chat somewhere? Because it's interesting, I have never seen her name. Oh. Well, yeah, I guess we could give you bonus points for that, but yeah. So I'm not sure I recognize her, but yeah, when you type that, it gives you this. So actually we should give you bonus points for that. 4 points. And Strands, if you agree, I'm going to
Totally. I have never heard the actual name. That's impressive.
Yeah, that's how we are learning about her history, like full name.
Okay.
yeah.
Like she was like Maria Curie, but in I don't know, like in other countries, but some Polish people have like 2 surnames. Like
Right.
her first, when she was young, she was Skłodowska, and after the marriage, she took Curie, but she didn't get just the Curie. She kept both of them, something like that.
Right. So her actual real full name is what we have in the chat, right? And I think that's super important to acknowledge that. We'll say Marie Curie like all day long, but yeah, she was Polish, and then she took the French name. Yeah, so 1 more point for you. 1 more point. Technically, I'll get an error, but if I refresh, it should be good to go.
Yeah, ignore that error. It's unaware.
Yeah, that's right. All right. Saika, same player. Go ahead, a theme and a question.
Geography for 1.
Geography for 1. All right, coming up. What is the world's largest ocean?
Pacific Ocean?
Yes, that's correct. 1 more point for your player.
That's the only one I know.
You're lucky, man. Mr. Sunshine, Grand B. Well, yeah, pretty close, pretty close. Mr. Sunshine, pretty close, but not quite. All right, Strands. It's grand, but the Pacific Ocean, like the ocean thing, it's slightly bigger. Slightly bigger. All right, Strands, for the player Strands. A theme and a question, please.
History times 2.
History times 2, all right. In what year did the Berlin Wall fall? Aha.
Oh.
Saika, do you know?
I know. I'm not sure. But I
Okay.
would guess
So
1 year.
Strands.
1971.
Wait. What do we say, like +1, plus or minus a year? Saika, would that be fair? I don't know. For 2 points.
Yeah, it could
Yeah.
be okay.
Plus or minus 1 year.
1 month.
So what do you say? What do you say,
Oh,
Strength?
you didn't hear my answer.
No,
I
sorry.
said 71.
71. Well, no,
It's
that's
most likely wrong.
yeah, that's too far.
Too far.
1989. So pretty close. Actually, I don't have the month. Does someone has the month in mind? No, I. Well, anyways, I think I know some people who were born before the wall fell. Well, obviously my parents and everything, but people like colleagues or people around our age, maybe 4 years older than me. Yeah. Anyways, next question. Saika. A theme and a
Science for
question.
1.
Science for 1. You sure you don't want 3? Science for 1.
Nah.
All right. What is the force that pulls objects towards the center of the Earth?
Uh,
If you have it in
oh my
Polish,
God.
it's fine.
Gravity.
Gravity, yes, correct. 1 point. Mr. Sunshine trolling. Strengths, definitely not. Mr. Sunshine, love. Yeah, I guess love is closer than thoughts. Strengths. Just saying. I know I'm a gas developer, but still. All right. Strengths. A theme and a question, please.
Science for 3.
Science for 3. What is the chemical symbol of the element gold? Either you know or you don't.
That's AU.
Are you sure? Saika, do you have it?
No, but I would probably shoot something around the same.
Yeah, so I guess someone has been shopping for a ring or something or some jewelry because that was
Oh, no.
correct. AU.
Oh, actually, the reason I remember this thing is because I had a teacher in college who would teach us that like the Latin word for it was aurum, and so he kept repeating that thing
Oh.
until it stuck.
All right, that's a nice technique. Mr. Sunshine say it's OL. OL, I don't think there's an element OL, but nice try.
LOL.
OL would be... All right, yeah, that would work. OL would be this. If I look for an element, Mr. Sunshine, I get this for OL. Olympique de Lyon. Olympique Lyonnais, yeah. All right, AU was correct, so let's go to the next player. Strengths, it's you again, and this would be the final round. So let's have a look at the scores. Okay, I don't know if we do an average or anything. Would that change anything? I don't want to calculate that myself, but let's keep having fun. And yeah, let's go. I am Strengths. A theme and a question.
Geography for 2.
Okay, geography for 2. What is the capital city of South Korea?
Seoul.
Yes, that's
Okay.
correct. 2 points. Pyongyang. Pyongyang is that would be North Korea? Mr. Sunshine. Pretty close. Pretty close. All right, Saika.
History for 1.
History for 1. Okay. Saika, you have 3 points on that player. You have 3 points.
2 from now.
Who was the leader of the Indian independence movement?
That's the easy one.
Well, again, sorry for the culture bias.
Indiana Jones?
Nice one. Let's go. Okay.
Oh no.
Indian was not like in America, but in actual India. Mr. Sunshine says literally pretty close. Ritik Roshan. I don't know the guy, but yeah. So the answer was Mahatma Gandhi. All right.
Pretty
Uh,
easy. Like how would I didn't know? That's so easy.
yeah, I admit that one was like really biased. Slap cheek guy. Yeah. We
Everyone
should
in Poland have the Mahama name and Gandhi surname.
yeah, that's known, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry for the bias, but it's like pretty known in Mauritius, and I don't know in the Western world if that's known a little bit. Maybe in Europe more than in North America, for example. Mahatma is actually a title, not his name. Okay, yeah, we should fix GPT. I guess they use the most commonly known denomination for that person. But yeah, Mahatma is a title. Okay, yeah. Keep that in mind. Okay, we have 2 more questions to go. Strands, final question for you. Mahatma means the great. Sorry?
History for free?
History for 3? You sure you don't want to try for 4?
No.
Okay,
I'm scared.
Yeah.
history for free. History for free. Because I won't show you the score, but that second player is third, not second.
Yep.
So, okay, history for 3. What is the name of the treaty that ended the First World War?
Oh, come on.
Well, it's a hard question. It's a challenging one. It's 3 points.
Tricky.
Treaty is like the official
That's
document.
Sokovia Accords.
Ah,
Oh,
yeah,
no.
okay.
Sokovia Accords. I don't even know what that is, Mr. Sunshine, but okay.
It's a Marvel reference, but I don't have
Okay.
an answer to that.
All right. Strands got the ref. Yeah. All right. So do you know where it was signed? In which country? The First World War. So it would be one of the two countries, right? One of the 2 main countries. And it's not Switzerland. So which were the 2 main countries of World War One, actually? Well, if you know, else we can skip.
And
I think I know more about World War II than World War One. What
Yeah.
was it?
Saika, what did you say?
Geneva.
Yeah, Geneva, no. So, all right, let's find out. It was actually in France, and it's the Treaty of Versailles.
Right.
How you know?
All right.
France.
Australia and Argentina, yeah. So it was in France. So the 2 options, I guess, would be
That was
Germany
my
or
first.
France. Was your what?
Told you. I told you. It's France.
Okay, yeah, but you didn't go steal, and I would still have needed for 3 points. I would still have needed the city
Yeah,
and everything.
I
yeah.
wasn't sure anyway, so.
Yeah, I could have added 1 point or something, but yeah. Okay, history for 4. Saika, are you ready? This player, by the way, wait, by the way,
He's a loser.
it's -1, so you can have 3, so you can be top 2 and well, yeah, you still be top 2, top 3, so there's no stakes per se. But for the glory, and you're pretty close to 0, and he has more points, I guess, but he's very negative. So let's try.
So science.
So that's
let's
where
go.
Vessel. Okay, 1 second. Mr. Sunshine says that's where Vercel gets its name from. Like, I don't know, it could be. No, I don't think so. But yeah, that would be funny. So now we're deploying stuff to Versailles. I don't know, that's a great idea, but you can try. We deploy peacefully. Yeah, okay. Saika, history for 4, last question of tonight. During which war did the Battle of Stalingrad take place? Known for being the one of the deadliest battles in history.
During which war? World War
It's
One.
one of the very famous ones. Trying to help. Battle of
The name
Blackwater.
of the war,
Yeah, the name of the war.
and it's not the World War.
Maybe there's a number in there. The Infinity War.
One.
No. Is World War One your final answer? You sure you don't want to change to another one? World War One. Final answer. All right. Well, Saika, nice try. It was World War Two.
Oh.
So close, man. So close. Oh yeah. All right. We have
Why the name is like what was the first name of Stalingrad? But I don't know which war it was fighting for.
Okay. But yeah. Oh well, yeah. So what was the name of Stalingrad before or after?
Leningrad.
Leningrad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That I remember those like not trick questions, but even if you don't know, you can think really hard and get it. But yeah. Okay. So Mr. Sunshine is going to decide. Do we do an average to get the final score, or do we do the sum?
No matter what, he wants anyway.
Yeah, but maybe the difference would be closer or something. So we have strengths with 13. And yeah, -5 on both. Yeah, 13 -5. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, 8. Yeah, you're right. Psych at 2 -5, so it's -3. Yeah. So we have a grand winner for this first very biased game. But I hope you get the idea. Well, yeah, I should cater for my audience, and I haven't done a great job there. But on the other side, I don't know a lot of what the culture is like in Poland and in the region, I guess. So
Greece and Rome. It's all learn about history.
all right.
Greece. Next school is maybe we learn about the Greece and Rome, Great Rome. Yeah, World War. Nah, let's skip that.
All right.
You will learn that in the next school, like in the high school or something like that. And in
Yeah,
high school,
we
they say, Greece and Rome is okay for start.
well, yeah, so Greece and Rome and things like this. All right. But the other thing is I need to have enough players, because else now it's towards your skew, so I'm gonna have to think about that. Yeah. Thank you, Taberna 404 mod. Wait, 404 mod. Yeah, for the follow. Let us know. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the chat. Let us know where you're from, what you do. Here we do development on some nights, and on Mondays we generally use the apps that I'm building. Generally those are quizzes because it's fun. And yeah, the app you have seen is something I've implemented myself. The concept is from a talk show on Twitch. So I just replicated that to be able to play with friends on stream and offline with families, etc. So yeah, let us know what you do. And if you'd like to stay in touch with people that are currently on the stream, you can join Discord. You can find help there for coding and everything related to coding. And if you want, some people will post questions there as well, so you could help, or we could just discuss about the news around coding and everything. All right, claps for Mr. Strands and claps of great try for Saika as well. So thank you both for playing two games. Well, one game, but two players. Yeah, Mr. Sunshine, it's just one clap and then you add the name of the player.
Okay.
Like this.
Girl from the voice chat.
You what? Sorry. Oh, you're gonna leave. Okay, right. Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Thanks a lot again, Saika, for taking the time today.
No problem. See you around.
Hey. Yeah, see you around. You kind of saved part of the stream towards the end there, so yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, so well done to the two of you. Strands, maybe I should create a title for Le Risque 2. And who knows, maybe on Mondays, I don't think I'll do that every Monday because it requires time to prepare those questions. And let me show you the file. But I could, maybe once a month or something, I'll have to figure out the registration.
Around or something, I guess.
Say again, sorry?
Could switch them around. I mean, like one
Oh,
time
the
you
games,
can
yeah.
do Race Cut 2,
Yeah.
and then other times you just do the regular quiz.
Yeah, I could do that. And for this one, really, as you have seen, we need players that register so that we have the 4 players. And if we have more, we do the pop quiz first, like a quick game, just to select the top 4. That's the idea. And we're getting really close to the concept I want for the game night, you know. Selection phases with games where everyone answers. And this would be the final game, but yeah. As you have seen, the make or break of this is how suited are the themes and questions to the players. So that's another challenge, but yeah. That's all right. So here's the structure of the file. I added the date. I don't really remember why, but this is not taken into consideration anymore. So it's an old date and it still works. Yeah, this is pretty much marked down. You have a list of the players' names. And then themes. Each theme is a title level 3, and then the questions. It ends with a question mark. It just follows the precise format, right? So you have this keyword, column, and a space, and then it takes the answer. The formatting is really strict at the moment. I could improve on that. I'll see. But yeah, you just have a file like this and you can play. You have like roughly 30-40 minutes of fun technically. If some players don't like disagree with the answer or disagree with the answer given by the other player, like not being close enough or things like this, it can get really fun. And when you have some players who can steal, etc., etc., it gets pretty exciting. But you just have a file like this, which can take 20 minutes to an hour to prepare. But you can prepare a whole night with many players, 4 players at a time, of course. And you have different files like this and you can keep playing. GPT can generate this file. So I haven't gotten great success with GPT generating a balanced file. maybe I should keep trying. Maybe I should keep going with, I should go with LangChain. Maybe there are some helpers there. The challenge is that for each theme, we need to have question 1, which is easier than question 2, which is easier than question 3, which is easier than question 4. Even if you do that on your own, it's still biased. So yeah, it can work, but I don't know how great it will be. I should try. And the thing is, there are like 20 questions that have to be generated. So if you're not satisfied, do I provide, like I do on Pop Quiz, a form to modify, change the questions? I think there's much reflection that I need to put in the design there. We can try for the channel, try to generate it. But as you have seen, it can take like 30 minutes for a game. So if I see that the experience for those questions, for the set of questions, isn't great, do I carry on like 25 more minutes? Those are the considerations that I have to take into account. Whereas for Le Pop Quiz or Au Plus Proche, everyone answers the same questions. So it's closer to actual fairness because everyone answers this. Everyone answers all of the questions, pretty much. Yeah, as strengths, as per to the structure of the file, that's no problem, I think. That's totally fine for GPT. But the balance of the difficulty and everything, well, I have to see. Yeah. Basically, just record audios and tell it to GPT. Yeah, so I extract the sound from the video replay and I send it to my Parrot app. Let me showcase that again. Oops, I hit refresh instead of new tab. So we give the audio there and take the transcript and give that as a prompt to GPT. Yeah, I don't know how large of the thing. Well, I would have to voice it out again, but yeah, I can rehearse that. Yeah, yeah, we are future proof here, right? Strands, future proof. But yeah, we are future proof. I don't know if I still have enough credits on Narakit. Yay! Yes, we are. And maybe the sound was super low for you guys. But yeah, it worked. But yeah, if we want to play that more, I mean, we can give it a try. I can, you know what? I'll see when I have time to add GPT to that one. And then we don't have to test it just on the channel. You can test it anywhere else. You can test it among friends, see if it's fun enough. But yeah, I think the best experience for this game, well, when I had it and even when they played on the talk show, is really when the themes are suited to the players. And so 4 players, 5 themes. One theme which is more suited to one player, etc. So the 4 themes, each one is assigned pretty much to one player, and then there's one that's average among all of them, ideally. So that would be it, really. So yep, but that was it, and thanks a lot everyone for joining. I think, yeah, thank you for hopping by, Mr. Sunshine. See you there. Or if you can stay a few more minutes, we're going to raid someone. Do you know anyone you would like to raid? Or anyone else in the chat? You can raid. You can choose to raid someone. And yeah, this was my notion before I created the file. Yeah, so who do we raid? Let me stop the music. I will close this, that. Stop the music. Twitch. Let's browse. Al is not streaming. Right, yeah. So let's browse. Let's shoot for a streamer that has a low view count, because I like to encourage them just as others have encouraged me. You guys pick anyone who has just one viewer. Anything that seems interesting in there, let me know. Maybe someone would like that one, I don't know. Keeping tabs on that one. Coding Rage, Material UI. Okay, wow, that's epic. Game dev, okay. Strengths, any thoughts? Rust, okay, no, it's too late for Rust. No one catches my attention. I think I follow that guy already so far. Game dev. I don't know what game you dev. Neural network, okay. Retro John. Enftuber. Okay, that's maybe, I don't know. What does he do? Better. Okay. I don't know what you do. Anyways, no one catches our attention, so I don't know. Yeah, the game dev lady maybe had something interesting. Let's see. Let's try that one. This reminds me of university, so maybe we can stream that streamer for now. So thank you everyone for joining. Let me just refresh to make sure it's all fine, because sometimes it doesn't carry people over to the raid. Just leave the Discord call. All right. Thank you everyone for joining. We are raiding that streamer now. So see you on the other side. Okay. Mature audience. Yeah, it's late enough. Let's do that. Reviewers. All right. Thank you everyone for joining. Let's go. See you there. Hope it worked. Hello. So it's muted. So